Ngoba eshadile nje uyazi unkosikazi wakhe ukuthi wena ukhona la empilweni yakhe.
Abona kodwa futhi.
Will he pass? Oh, my boy is passing. My boy is passing.
My sister. I'm good. What's your name? I love your hair, bro. You look like you, I don't know, Dali Shock or something.
Yeah,
go get Lea Costa Le Nike.
Yeah.
My soccer player have their own drip.
Lea Costa Le Nike.
Yeah.
That's what you are wearing.
Yeah.
Hi, sister.
Hey.
Njani.
Njani.
What makes you love this, bro?
He's so caring and loving. And
you are not forced.
My sister loves things. Look at those silver teeth. Happy weave. You are born and just
speak English.
There's a lot going on.
Because I know most of people, they just want to have the good ways that they know from. Yeah, I can get the depression. No. Like, just don't force yourself to speak English.
No, I'm not forcing. I'm just putting there and there.
Okay. So when's Annie?
Uyangithanda, uyanginakekela, uyanginika isikhathi sakhe nje, ungipha nemali just sonke isikhathi.
Imali?
Yebo.
So do you like more money or you like less? Which one do you like more, money or time?
Isikhathi. Yeah.
Are you lying?
No, I'm not.
I think she's lying.
You know that time is money. That's why you say.
Yes. Yes.
Brother, what makes you love it?
Uyangihlonipha nginika isikhathi sakhe every time angimdinga ukhona, so that is why ngathi ngimthanda.
So what on a scale of 10, how much would you say you trust it?
9.
9?
Yeah, because they share that space.
For what?
Wonke umuntu yabo.
Oh, that depression space.
Yeah.
Oh, that disappointment space. Yes. Yeah, so I want you guys to play a smaller game with me called Exchange Phone for 60 seconds. What do you guys say?
You're shaking. My brother, you're looking down.
That
you don't have a problem.
I don't have it.
You have to speak Zulu, bro. Like khulisa ilim lwakho.
Angiboni inkinga la.
Yabona manje siyakuzwa. What is that blah blah blah. Speak your say, bro. Another thing is I'm mixed up, yabo. Yeah. I'm mixed up. I'm petty and everything at once. So that's why I speak like this. So what I sing? Let her phone. When a sister.
But why so insist on my phone, man?
You guys even look the same, bro.
What's uyathetha manje? Waphakamisa umoya manje makufuna la phone.
Cha uyamthemba wena lo muntu lo.
Ukuthi I will do what with your phone, my sister? Accusation. Are you sure you're gonna stand for that in court? You say I'm a thief?
No, I'm not saying you are a thief, but
what you are referencing me is a thief? Thief angibheke ngishaye light ngingozi mos. I'm danger by
daylight boy.
Nayi phone yakaphuza. I don't even write. Bamba.
It's a daylight robbery, boy. We literally killed the sun. We made the sun be there.
Game.
You're not ready for it. I wonder who's cheating, guys. Whether the score is gonna increase the Papezu. I hope it's the girl. The boys are having a bad reputation, man. Jenati amachita chita kakhulu kudlula amantombazane. Asikhuphuki isikole samantombazane. Ha. Moshika malamachi.
Nayi yami.
Mina wayezomela ngimnikeze phone yami
ngoba neyami kuyena.
Wayezomela sichange
So you guys are cheating on each other. Or you are cheating actually.
No, I'm not cheating.
You are cheating. Look, my brother, before you guys get to the fight, I want you guys to kiss for the last time because I think I see cheating.
Yo, for the last time.
This kiss is gonna be for the last time and I saw my mama. If you guys kiss now, it's gonna be for the last time. You believe it?
Hey, ngisengiqala ukukholwa.
Yeah, call. When do you believe it?
No, I don't believe it.
So let's show you.
Why? So
let's show you. It will be the last time.
Angithandi mina ukunikeza iphone yami.
So you guys.
Angithandi ukunikeza umuntu iphone yami. Why ngizonikeza stranger?
You are a stranger now.
Nakho stranger singinikile sa iPhone.
Mina lo why ezomnikeza iphone yami?
Na iPhone wakho yakabhuti. Na nginikeze bani? Okay, nginikeze bani put? Nginikeza bani le phone?
Ikuwena nje lethe yakho ke nawe manje.
Nawe mnikeza yakhe. Munikeza unganiki mina. Mina I don't want your phone. You said I'm a thief. I'm running away from the phone.
Hayibo.
Or you are cheating on him. How long have you been cheating on this guy? Stop lying to us, my sister. We were not born yesterday.
Angichitha serious. Why ngizochitha?
Futhi why kunzima ukuletha amafoni pho manje?
Wena uyamthemba wena kuqala.
Nakho ungithembile nami ngiyamthemba ngoba ungithembile ngefoni yakhe. Kwanzima nje manje kwenzakalani ngani?
Kwanzima ukuba umuntu omnyama.
Ngazi ke mina kumele ngenze njani? Ngithathe imali yami ngineze stranger.
Yena unikeza yena.
Nginikeza
My
yena.
sister, keep your
Ngitshela,
phone.
nika yena. Ngisho naye yakhe.
Keep your phone.
Awuniki mina, my
Yo.
sister. So are you guys gonna kiss for the last time? Pella, it's a segment of the show. You guys have to kiss for the last time. Are you guys gonna kiss for the last time, sister?
Damn. The phone pink.
Uwelo,
Yeah.
omusha kanje, ochita kanje.
Angichithi mina.
Yini
Come
boyikulisayo
on.
manje?
Let her lay my brother. Can you guys kiss for the last time? Oh, nah, you can hold that one, bro.
Hey, she
Hold
loves
this
the
one
finer
for me.
things. I cannot lie. Yo.
Are you guys gonna kiss or you're gonna pass that segment?
Hayi sengiqala ungamthembi. Mina lo muntu
Do
manje.
you wanna exchange? Let's leave the kiss. Open yours. Let's leave the kiss. That means they wanna kiss for the last time because they know that it's for the last time. So why kiss? Such I love you there, my sister.
Yeah,
But I was
yeah.
gonna give you, but I have to run the show
Yeah.
professionally. You know what I mean? Borromeus, that one. Yes. Let me just hold it like that.
I gotta be serious with my
Yeah, that's
sister. If
halal.
she's cheating,
Right,
I told her
cool, I love
something.
you. So you're not cheating on her, bro.
I'm not cheating.
100%.
100%
Thank
sure.
Ah, Zelu, my
Sport.
brother.
Uzosinika. Mangathi ngabaleka vele. Phela sengiphethe yami sengiphethe yakhe sengiphethe yakhe.
Ngeke ubaleke nalezi zinto ezingaka kanye kanye.
You think you'll catch me?
Bamba.
Boy,
Look,
I
freak
don't,
the soccer
I'm
player.
not like the South African police, boy. I can run, nigga. I'm kidding. I'm just like them, to be honest, bro. The difference is that they're not high, but I am.
My brother, Uminile. Look at my brother. He's looking at that phone like, yes, yes. It's the last one, boy. It's the last one. Pelile.
Okay. Mush, you are good, Mush.
Yeah.
You are bad.
Fanele ngiyamthanda phela ngiyaxaka maselo
You are
kakhulu.
bad.
Tola something, Joseph. Minile lana.
You are bad.
There has to be something happening.
Oh, pregnancy. Uyabona nawe, my sister. Nawe ngayibamba before. Awuvule yakho lapho ngoba ngiyabona ubhudayo uGrant.
Ah.
Uzokufaka nala ayikho nento. Ngifaka nala ithombeni ubuka ithombe. But right, I love you. So senze fast ngoba imvula izosithola.
Hayi right.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Way.
You have to go down here and check. I'm a picture.
What if they both
Okay, I'm a
clean?
calculator. Sell calculators, bro. Are you selling this pentosis, bro? Selling leggings, boy.
Ubani lo
Selling
velayo
lines.
manje la ngoba
You're a seller, bro. This man is a seller. This for the phone.
Yeah, bo. Chita
yena.
yeda.
Siyo number yami phela le.
Mine.
How? Kusizani ukuthi?
This is
Kusizani dog?
Wena.
Literally, phendula
No,
umbuzo.
ilecturer yakhe phela lena. Ubani lo mbhalelo ala.
you guys are at the same school
Yeah.
or what?
Sengihlole naye for 3 years lo muntu. Ubani lona kanti? Hayibo.
Oh, my sister. Uyayilungisa, phendula umbuzo dog.
Umbhalo
Are you better
wamanje.
use your looks?
Umseve ngisho ngamahathi yami nampi na kodwa amahathi.
Abe bengisisazokuchazela ngale nto le.
Uchaza kanjani?
No, ile lecture le ingisiza ngama homework
Lecture?
papers ukuthi ngikwazi ukufunda esikoleni.
Eksize nango hathi labo basentayo.
No, not
This is the same guy.
Hayibo.
Lecture.
This is the heart. Ukusiza phela. Wait, I love you, ne?
Ngama question papers wesikole
So
singiyafunda.
I'm a question paper yaphi I love you, my sister.
Ngempela.
Stop that are not there. Well, you see now, mind you are making stories that.
Yazi abantu abangakwazi ukuqamba amanga vele khona iqiniso. Ungakwazi ungazami.
Where do you see question paper here?
Ungazami dog.
I can I can go even here. Uyabo?
Ithombe
The question paper le.
Siwenenza ama-question paper nayo.
No, ama-question paper ngiyawadilisa ngoba angafuna abanye
Oh, bese
ama-question.
Aswe
uyayisho
uma
mase.
sister yalunyela
Question
dog.
paper,
Weshila.
Ama-question paper wonke lawo.
Yalunyela mbeke.
Sonke lesikhathi kanti uyangiphebela.
Baby, ngiyaxolisa baby.
Yini oyixolisayo?
Ngiyaxolisa Nkosi yami.
So who's your main
Hey.
boyfriend,
Hey,
sister? I think is this
Main.
is the guy is the main. The lecturer is the main boyfriend.
No,
Ne?
akasi boyfriend yami.
Uyazi ngaye.
Akasi boyfriend yami.
Lecturer uyazi ngaye.
Angijoni naye mina lo.
Oh, utshela
Ngoba
thina manje.
eshadile nje uyazi unkosikazi wakhe ukuthi wena ukhona la empilweni yakhe.
Angijoni naye uletha.
Nenzani pho nenzani isombe lezi?
Nje sizana indaba ama-homework nama.
Now I'm a question paper, but
No.
they are not in the lecture. They are in the other students.
Oh nisizana nina nisizana ekamerweni menisizana.
No, wenzela ukuthi phela ngikwazi mina
Hayi,
ukuphasa.
khona-
Wenzela ukuthi ngikwazi ukuphasa. Hey, nangoko gaslighter.
One
Ikhona into
of
echazayo.
will cool.
Hayibo. Ngisho namazayiza uyasizana nawo wonke umuntu okhona kanti kahle kahle.
Yo.
Why can't I go to this picture?
Hayibo.
Why can't I go to,
Asanda
go
sonke
to the
lesikhathi
message?
udlala ngami.
Look.
Oh, hayibo. Nalo niyasizana naye ngama-question paper naye.
Ngiyaxolisa baby.
Hayi,
Kodwa
kuqolisa
bangaki?
kanjani yonke lezi zinto lezi uqolisa khona
Who's
kuphi
this
umuntu?
guy?
Ngiyaqondile ukuthi ngenze yonke lento leyo. Nami ukuthi
Ubuqonde kuphi?
ukuthi bengidinga imali esayidini
Oh, eyamali ayikwenelisi yamali.
No,
She for the streets.
ukuthi phela nawe unikeza imali encane.
Ha.
Isincane manje ngoba nakho usunala abantu isincane le mali manje.
I swear,
Well,
dog.
no,
Some mommy see gents and they see ATMs. I'm telling you.
Yonke
That's
into
phone
leyo.
wakho
They're
manje.
going on a heist,
Uthanda mina
boy.
noma uthanda imali kahle kahle.
Ngiyathanda wena nemali kodwa ngiyayithanda.
Hayibo.
So ufuna imali kula bhuti.
Uyanginikeza imali.
Ngisho la bhuti wenzoswa imali.
Ngisizwa imali, unikeza imali.
Labo bayithu.
Uyedwa.
Lele lo
Lona
mlungu lo.
omunye naye imali.
Hayi bangijoni naye lona.
Umlungu.
Ngiselela ningajoli udlala ngathi la.
No, my
Why you
sister's
play?
okula. She will get sick, this one. Kanjani. Mixing flavors now. Hey, man. Hey. Uzokula. Sike sibona kuphela kanjani. But with daddy, intombazane echithile guys. Intombazane, I'm happy. Okay. I'm happy. Igama
Why you
lamanje
playing us?
selotion.
Umbonile lo
Sonke lesikhathi mina
the
ngifuna
Indian
ukuzakho.
guy.
Awusona islima baby ngiyazi awusona islima Nkosi yami. Ngiyakuthanda.
Uyislima boy, ngokutshela mina.
Kodwa imali onginikeza yona.
Ngokutshela mina mfethu.
Umuntu wemali encane ngisona isilimo.
Yeah.
Ayikwazi ukuafford yonke lento engiyifuna mina.
Oh isincane manje kodwa sonke lesikhathi athi
Uthi
ngabo
she-
3 years
Uthi
wonke.
your time, uthi you right now you don't have money, you give her time. She said she likes your time, not your money.
Yo. She did.
3 years wonke 3 years wonke ungifihlela lezi zinto lezi.
How long have you been dating the lecturer and the Indian guy?
No.
Both of them. Be honest, my sister. Ubanji went
Khuluma
For
yena,
2 years.
khuluma manje.
Two.
lecture.
Yes, both of them.
Both of them for 2 years.
Yeah.
What was wrong in that 2 years when you get to cheat on him?
Nje waqala nje wanginikeza imali enganginelisi nje abe nesikhathi sokuthi ahambe nabangani bayodlala ibhola yonke leyo nto leyo ngabona ukuthi
Bitch, get a job, bro.
siyama.
Me-
Brother, what are you doing?
Bitch,
with
get
it
a job
in
or
this
something,
moment?
dog. I'm
'Cause
serious. I
this
told
one
him say
needs you to
do
decide on
something.
the
That's
spot.
crazy, though.
Dude, what are you gonna do with it?
Cheat for
Hayi
money.
into engayenza ngalomuntu njengamanje imali yami isincane niliyeke ibhola manje.
Phela
Ayikho
ngiyadinga
into engayenza
isikhathi,
ngalo muntu
isikhathi
mina.
sesiyalekha nje manje.
Ngiyanika isikhathi sepasileka. Why ungakhulumi kunenkinga khona?
Bengikhuluma nawe uba busy ubukela ibhola wena uhambe nabangani bakho nodlala ibhola egroundini. Zokwenza njani ke mina?
At the end of the day, she wants to date a soccer star. That's a mantomazane.
So my
Niliya
brother,
keyboard.
there's no excuse of cheating.
Ah, boy.
Excuse of cheating is that I was horny, and then
Ibhola lingena
ngayenza
ngaphi?
ngithanda, and i-lecture yami ngithanda imali. So me, I'm a gold digger. Yiyo lento leyo. Ake manje.
Yazi wavele wayisho.
Yambona ulumela more.
Yeah,
That's
so
so
you leaving
true.
her or what? Because me, I go with this lady here. This lady is looking for a person. She got cheated on my show few
Yeah.
days ago. Yabo? So I go with her so she can get a better person. So people like this can see that there's people that can like, you know what I mean? I don't know if you guys gonna connect, but if you say I can call her, I'll let you guys speak and then see how you guys do something. Because if she's doing like this, she doesn't love you. And I
Yeah.
don't even entertain people like this. Because
That's
she
all the
wants
love
to lie.
doctor.
Hayi akasuke lona ama question paper
My sister,
akasuke
you
nama
want her to
question
come,
paper.
eh?
Yeah.
Come, sister.
Why uzamela abanye abantu?
Khuluma nami.
Why uzamela abanye abantu?
Khuluma nami.
Hayibo. Why uzamzamela abanye abantu ngoba
Sup, ref?
Yeah, you guys can talk. I don't know that. Is this your person anymore?
Oh laba abanye abantu bakhona.
No, my brother, is this your person?
No,
anymore?
hayi
Okay,
akasuke.
you done with it?
Namele
Ngicela
ngizame
ukuthi
into yami.
ukhulume ne-sister da.
Yo.
Amrize lapho.
Makusapa, dog.
Bang, on a scale of 10, how much? Wait, my
Ha,
sister.
ha, ha,
On a
ha,
scale of
ha.
10, how much can you? How much do you trust your Ruiz?
10 after 10 la.
Okay, give us a Ruiz. Amrize, now Mike.
Don't shake, my brother. Don't shake. We're here for you.
My sister phela so
Sikhona
1
ngithi.
week.
Inenza ukuthi usimale ngoba ngiphambi kwakho manje.
You have a nice smile. Yeah.
What else?
What else? Ngiyathanda namehla akho.
What is a
Ngasho njalo.
Ruiz? Give us a Ruiz, bro. Share ndoda kanti.
My boy is shaking. Sikhona.
angikwazi phela.
Iyashake nesandla sephaketheni. It's done, boy.
Then you can leave. Angisho.
Ngihambe kanjani ngisho umuntu wami la ngemuva. Angikwazi phela ukuthi ngihambe
Kanti
ngisho
manje
umuntu wami.
wena you don't have. Where's your Indian guy?
Hayi asikhulumi ngayo
Brother,
sikhuluma
can
ngalo.
you read your
Yes,
wife?
bayeke
Ngisho
la.
ngalo phela.
Mike nawe.
Manje
bro.
ngoba sobabili sonke
Ngikwazi.
sinenkinga efanayo mina ngibona ngathi singasebenzela le nto sizama ukulungisa sikhohle laba.
You sure?
Yeah, singahilana phela uma ukuthi kumele kwenzeke kanjalo. If you don't mind.
Makumele kwenze kanjalo.
If you are looking at him, my sister, does he look like someone that can be your type?
Yeah, I mean, ugqoke kahle, he looks clean.
Last time she cried about a man's hygiene, so I want you guys to kiss to see if your hygiene is good, and then I'll get her
Yo.
her response after. So just if you guys don't mind.
Ngavela shawovala. I hope you're a good kid.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do, my sister? There is nothing
Nothing.
left what you gonna do.
No, ngifuna ukuthi ngihambe nomuntu wami mina.
You'll take off that
Akakwazi
frontal.
Okay, wait for him.
Ngimlinde kanjani?
Can you guys kiss
Aphizi,
the
intombazane
spawn?
phambi kwami.
Wait for him.
Aphizi.
Angisho you waiting for him. Yeah, wait for him.
Nginibuke.
Angathi unama question paper wakho nawe.
Ama question paper ngenaphi?
Basayenza question paper nabo la.
Yeah.
Yenza question
Yeah.
paper lapho put.
Hayi abona kodwa
Will he pass? Oh, my boy is passing.
Yenzani
My
question
boy is
paper.
passing.
My sister,
Ay, man.
Angazi
No.
Wait,
Angikwazi
my
phela ukuthi
sister,
ngicabuzana la
wait.
phambi kwami. Phambi
So
kwami.
manje you are angry.
Phambi kwami. Lalela Seb. Uzongijwayela amasimba yakho. Nawe.
Imagine a hoe calling a hoe a hoe. Yeah, but
Ungijwayela kabi.
Ungashayi, my sister.
Na
Don't
ungijwayela
shy.
kabi.
she doesn't want the smoke, boy.
No.
Look at this. She doesn't want the smoke, fam. Oh no.
Nawe.
Look at her.
Ungijwayela kabi.
Pa!
I'm shy, my sister.
I fully smoke. I have to show you all the side dog. I have to catch that proper moment. There's no way. She don't want the smoke. Pa! Bag! She doesn't want to be there, boy.
Hi,
She's
my
dipping.
sister.
She's shy.
So manje
Shy.
shy him, bro.
I feel like shy right here, though.
Now it's fair.
Yay. 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 Buka lo mjita. Yay. 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 Buka. It's just there, boy.
She's fucking you so
Sophie
up.
Patel, Buka.
Now,
It's just there.
fucking you up.
Ngoba ngeke uzungimele mangiza la. Qiniso. Ngeke uzungimele mangiza la.
My boy done upgraded.
Ngibukisa ngabantu manje.
Wena ubungibukisini ngabantu sokulesikhathi wena. Hamba uqhubeke nama question paper akho ngeke.
Yazi angithandi
Qhubeka
into yenzayo njalo.
Awaphuma amafrontali.
What are you gonna? Are you gonna fight them?
You.
Does it work?
Qhubeka mina
In the holding
Ngiyasebenzela
hands.
yona leyo.
ngizolwa ngizoze ngimthole back umuntu wami.
Okay.
Hayi bo.
Ngizolwa mina ngeke
Do you
ngimyeke.
My
think
sister
this
yasheka lo
is
mhlobo.
this is a good match for you?
Yeah, of course.
Now, my brother,
Yeah, very perfect.
very perfect.
Very perfect.
You like her when she do 360. You like it?
Damn.
So you left there. Me,
Hayi,
I wanna
ngiyabasala.
leave so you guys can have time. I don't wanna. And also, my sister, you don't disturb them, eh?
Kanjani manje? Ngimyeke mina ahambe ahambe nomuntu.
When I was ukuthi umuntu obistere uyaphayizisayo. You buy 2, uyobistere uyaphayizisa. Nami I feel like I'm payizising. That's why I wanna leave. Can we leave? Me and you leave the people to talk.
Joseph, what do you mean?
There's a love here. Here's love here.
What do you mean if you come by Joseph?
Here's love. When you gotta leave us.
Kodwa ke angiqedile ngawe. Ngisazokuthola.
What are you gonna do, my sister? Leave them to be okay. Evan.
Ngimshiya kanjani la ese ulaphi Davi la? Ngiyamshiya. Hayi.
Yo, bye-bye, my sister. See fair.
I don't understand it. Do what you do. I'm gonna keep on doing
Joseph
that. Do best. My name is Joseph. Dad. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.
Rain the cut. Thank us for tuning in. This episode was crazy. She got substituted by a soccer player. They were like, ref, pull up. Okay, ngizobona kwi-episode elandelayo guys. Anyways, this morning score. I'm happy for the Blues, dog. Hayi guys, amachita wafebe kangaka. But we'll keep on doing the episodes sibone ukuthi bani ufebe kakhulu eSouth Africa. Sibone ifebe takampela. See you all in the next episode.